Hello, guys. I am going to show how to download CapCut on PC or laptop for free. So we are starting over without wasting time. So first we open over Chrome browser, then we search CapCut. After search CapCut, we click on the website, then scroll down, then click on download for Windows. After completion, download, then go to download folder on your PC or laptop. After completion, download, then go to download folder on your PC or laptop, then install it. After complete installation, open it and enjoy CapCut free on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching video. Subscribe my YouTube channel.